Welcome to How to Honda.
Today we're going to show you a good option for a lift kit on a Honda 300. Most lift kits just come in here and they get a little bracket lift that you put right here and it just lifts it up. That's a easy way to do it, but it can make the ride a little stiff. Another way to do it is just get some Honda 420 shocks. They'll bolt right up.
Or you can get brute force shocks. You can get that too, and it's just as good.
Or just any really longer shock that won't max it out. That's a good thing about these 420 shocks. It won't max it out, but it'll give you a good lift. I'll give you a side comparison. The front has the 420 shocks and the back is stock. So you can see it lifts it up a good ways.
Gives it about 3 inches of lift.
And I paid $50 for both the front shocks, so it's a good cheap option. It doesn't max out the front end. Your CV axles, you can tell they're a little steeper, but they ain't bad. And yeah, thanks for watching How to Honda.